Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to give some quick update for my e-commerce business, and I'm currently at my third video or my fourth video of my e-commerce business. So before we jump straight, if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, right? So let's jump to my Facebook Ads Manager. So in previous video, if I'm not mistaken, I showed you these three ad sets over here, and I just off all of the campaign. I just off this campaign, and I'm going to off all the ad set as well. So I would conclude that this campaign wasn't successful. I'm be able to get one purchase, but overall I lost about 300 ringgit Malaysia, in ringgit Malaysia, approximately 90 ringgit in US dollar. So I think the main reason is because the interest targeting wasn't really good. So I need to revamp all the ad set and the campaign as well. All right, so I just recreated five new campaign, but this time I separate each and every one of this campaign with different interests. Like this one is Astro, this is the broadcast in Malaysia, TV network in Malaysia, this one is married, this one is influencer and artist in Malaysia, engage shopper, and this one is influencer for a weight loss niche in Malaysia. All right, so it's worked so far pretty well. I just got one sale recently just got one sale here, and the cost per purchase also is very cheap as well, as you can see, 9 ringgit Malaysia. And if I break down it to more detail here, you could see the landing page view is 7. So people who click on my landing my link on my ads were 8 people, and those people who successful landing on my landing page is 7, and checkout initiated 4, and end up with 1 purchase. So this data so far is pretty good. So as you can tell, the ROAS, which is return on ad spending, is 17. This one is pretty high, guys. So so far this campaign over here do a pretty good job, so I'm going to keep on this campaign running, and I think I'm gonna need to wait couple more sales before I scale up this campaign, or scale up, increase the budget and try to make more sales with this campaign. All right, so I'm going to leave it like 24 hours or 48 hours for all of these campaigns to take a look at which one perform well, and then I'm going to kill all those campaigns that not perform and try to scale these things up. And then I also going to search for a new interest as well. So I just take a look at this campaign over here. So the daily budget is only 20 because I want to split test all this campaign and reach 400, and end up amount spent for each purchase is 9 ringgit. All right, so far so good. So this is the price purchase conversion, 160 ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so I think that's all. The conclusion is, right, so before this, when I ran this campaign over here, I was mix everything up because I was mixed a lot of interest within one campaign, that is not the good way how to run a Facebook ads, right? So I just learned from my friends. So he told me that instead of mix up every interest in a campaign, what you want to do instead is separate each and every one of the campaign with a different interest. So that is what I did, and it's end up with 1 purchase so far, right? So I think that's it. So I hope you got some value throughout these videos. So I'm going to be doing the next update, whether or not I got a sale or not. I'm going to keep on update with my e-commerce journey. All right, so thank you for watching, and give this video thumbs up if you learned something from this video. Right, so see you on my next video. Bye bye.